we'll guide you through how to use Claude for writing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude AI website. Once you're there, you'll see a login option at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to sign in. If you're new, you need to create an account, which is quick and easy. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Look for the New Document button, usually found at the top of the page, and click it to start a new writing project. You'll see a blank document open up where you can start typing or pasting your text. Claude offers a sidebar with various tools to help enhance your writing, such as grammar check, style suggestions, and topic research. To use these features, simply highlight the text you want to improve, and options will appear on the right side. If you want to generate ideas or write based on a prompt, you can use the Prompt Generator feature. Click on it and enter a few keywords or a question. Claude will generate several writing prompts to spark your creativity. Additionally, if you're stuck on a section or need feedback, you can use the Collaborate feature to invite others to review your work. Just click the Share button and enter their email addresses. Claude also saves your progress automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. When you're finished, you can download your document in various formats by clicking the Export button. Claude makes writing seamless and efficient with its intuitive interface and powerful tools. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.